Hey you guys, don't sleep on our August giveaway. This month we're giving away the Reimagined pack. And this time, there's gonna be 4 lucky winners. That's right, 4 lucky winners. And each winner will get to pick one of the pairs from the Reimagined pack. We got the Royals, White Cements, Chicagos, and the Breads. All you gotta do is subscribe to Rejuvenator and drop a comment down below which pair you would pick and the size. Giveaway runs till the end of August. Good luck everyone. The team just got back from LA SeniorCon. One of our subscribers came by the booth and dropped off these cooked UNC Off-White Jordan 1s. These need a good deep clean, so I'm gonna hook them up. As you guys already know, when it comes to Off-White sneakers, they can be some of the trickiest shoes to clean, especially these UNC Off-Whites. In this case, they're really dirty, but not something I put in the washing machine. This is something I can for sure do using the Essential Shoe Cleaning Kit. A couple of reasons why you don't want to put the shoe in the washing machine. The blue leather can potentially bleed if it gets oversaturated. Sometimes a little bit of the Off-White text can wash off. As you can see back here, the swoosh is supposed to be glued down. On this specific shoe, it's already came off. If it was glued down and I put it in the washing machine, this piece will for sure come undone. For the most part, this cleaning should be pretty straightforward. I just gotta take my time on the ripstop material. The Essential Shoe Cleaning Kit comes with 3 brushes, soft, medium, and stiff, 4-ounce bottle of solution, and a towel. I'm also gonna be using our matte dry rack and bowl combo and 2 shoe trees to do this cleaning correctly. First off, I'm gonna take out the laces and insoles. To help eliminate the creasing, let's insert the shoe trees. Next, we're gonna use the compressor to blow off all the surface dust and debris from the inside of the sneakers. I spend as much time needed using the air compressor because it always makes the cleaning process a lot easier. Now, I know not everybody has an air compressor at home, and that's okay. Just by brushing the shoe inside and out can also make a big difference. Alright, we got that step out the way. This cleaning should be a lot easier. Next, I'm gonna grab the solution and squirt 2 squirts into the bowl of water. For this cleaning, I'm gonna save the ripstop material for last, meaning I'm not gonna use a soft bristle brush first. I'm gonna start with the stiff bristle brush, clean up the soles, then move on to the medium bristle brush to work on the leather. I'll save the soft bristle brush for last. Usually when it comes to these cleanings, I only do 1 shoe on camera, but in this case, we gotta get the shoes back to the customer, so I'm gonna take care of both shoes. When using this brush, I almost always recommend to use some force to get better results. Sometimes that dirt is stuck inside the texture rubber, and the only way to get it off is with some elbow grease. However, be careful when it comes to the painted air on the sole. As I'm scrubbing in that area, I'm just letting the bristles do the work. If you scrub too hard, the paint will come off. Alright, the stiff bristle brush is doing an okay job. There's still some stains on the midsole. I'm gonna kick it up a notch and use the brass bristle brush. To get the best results with the brass bristle brush, I go in a circular motion, back and forth. I also apply a lot of pressure to get the bristles inside the little crevices to get all the grime off. As great as this brush can be for cleaning rubber outsoles, I'm always very careful to not let the bristles touch the uppers when I'm scrubbing because damage happens quicker than you think. Soles and midsoles are good to go thanks to the brass bristle brush. Next, I'm gonna move on to the insole using the medium bristle brush. For the medium bristle brush, I'm only gonna focus on the insole. I'm not gonna take care of the uppers with that brush. Last brush I'm going to use is a soft bristle brush. I'm going to be focusing my time on the ripstop material. I'm going to brush in a nice circular motion. I am going to scrub down the leather as well, but I don't want to oversaturate that material. Really, I just want to focus on the ripstop material, the tongues, and even the insides. The soft bristle brush is my favorite because it's very gentle on the delicate uppers and it creates the most suds as I go. I usually break down my cleanings into sessions if needed. The first session, I clean the entire upper evenly without missing a spot. I then wipe it down with a towel and inspect the shoe thoroughly. I finish it up with a second clean to make sure it looks as good as humanly possible. Cleaning is fully complete on the uppers. In just a bit, I'm gonna put these outside so they can dry underneath the sun. But first, I gotta clean up the shoelaces. I'm gonna use the leftover water and solution to give them a good scrub. After that, I'm gonna put the insoles and the shoelaces into the washing machine. shoes are all dried. Next step is to put the shoes inside the Vick 2000. The UV rays should help remove the yellowing from the ripstop material and the outsoles. Let's put them inside. All right guys, after about 4 days of putting the shoes inside the Vick 2000, these are the results. I'll start with the toe boxes. The toe boxes are as good as they're gonna get. As you can see, they're back to its original color. All of the yellowing is fully out. I'm really happy with how the toe boxes turned out. Not only that, but the blue on the uppers is a lot more vibrant. You can see that in person. On the soles especially, there was a green tint going on thanks to oxidation, but all of that came out just by using UV rays. On the side panel right here, it is back to white. However, on the inside part, there is a strip on both shoes that still have a yellow tint. That's okay. I did my best to get it back to its original color. That's all you can do. All that's left to do now is use a medium bristle brush to reset the nap on the suede. That's something I should have done after the cleaning, but it doesn't matter. As is right now, the suede is pretty rough. It's supposed to be nice and soft. So I'm gonna use this brush. I'm gonna brush back and forth, circular motion until the suede is back to its soft texture. All right, these look great, all cleaned up. All that's left to do is to lace them up with some fresh white laces. All right guys, that's gonna bring us to an end on the cleaning of these Off-White UNC Jordan 1s. These turned out fantastic, no issues at all, and that's thanks to using our Rejuvenator Essential Shoe Cleaning Kit. We gave this a good deep clean and setting out. The key to getting the shoes all cleaned up was taking my time on the ripstop material. I scrubbed back and forth in a circular motion for several minutes, even from the inside, to get it as clean as possible. After that, I put them in the Vick 2000, and that did the trick by removing all the oxidation in the material. A few other tools that helped me to get this cleaning done right, I used our Rejuvenator shoe trees. This helped eliminate the creasing from the toe boxes, and it allowed me to apply pressure on the toe box using the soft bristle brush. Another product that helped was using our dry rack and bowl combo. It stored my water and solution during the cleaning. And lastly, our cleaning mat. This keeps everything nice and clean during the process. As always, you can find all our products at rejuvenator.com. Use promo code UNC20 to save 20% off. But that code is only good for the first 20 orders after this video goes up. For more tips on how to clean your delicate grails, make sure you subscribe to our channel. This is Vick Almighty. I'll catch you guys next Monday. See you guys.